The number one question I hear from local business owners is, how do I find customers? My response is, how do customers find you? Turning this question around is the first step in transforming your marketing process. The next question I ask is, do you make it easy for customers to find you? And the ultimate question is, do you make it easy for customers to buy from you? The process of attracting, engaging, and retaining buyers is known in marketing terms as the customer journey. Every business has one, whether it's intentional or not. All you have to do is read Google reviews to find out. How many times have you tried to purchase a product online, book an appointment, or make a reservation, and gave up out of sheer frustration? Whatever the cause, a link that didn't work, too many steps, no response, endless on hold. These are examples of a customer journey gone awry and a sale lost. So think about your own customer journey. Do you lead prospective buyers down a smooth, well-lit path with directional signage? Or do they stumble along, trip and fall, or get lost and end up at your competition? When I analyze existing customer journeys for clients, it's typically the first place that I spot missed opportunities to increase average order volume and client lifetime value, which are quick ways to generate revenue. This is why creating a customer journey that your customers love is the first place that I'm starting at my Roadmap to Revenue workshop, August 15th at the Grapevine Chamber of Commerce. Using my 3-step framework and lots of client examples, I'll show you how to take control of how customers find you, buy from you, and keep coming back for more, plus tools to automate the process. If you want to scale up your business without adding new programs, products, or staff, join me at the Roadmap to Revenue workshop August 15th in Grapevine. Link to purchase tickets is in the caption.